What's up, investors? Today we're going to talk about Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. It's a company we've been talking about for quite some time on this channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe for future content, and let's talk stocks down below in the comment section. It should be noted I'm not a financial advisor. It's up to you to do all your own research, and it's ultimately your decision whether you want to buy any of the stocks I talk about on this channel. Ticker symbol ZOM is a company that I've been talking about for quite some time. As we look at the chart here, I mean, they've been on a tear lately. I started covering Zomedica back here in December at about 18 cents a share, and I've made about 4 or 5 videos along the way promoting the idea of keeping your eye on the real potential. Yeah, it went from 20 cents to 40 cents. We were up 100%. People were ready to take profits. And it went from 40 cents to $1. People were ready to take profits. It went from $1 to $2. People are ready to take profits. I've been promoting the whole time. Hold on to these shares. You got to know what you hold. This company has massive potential. They have first to market advantage in a gigantic market and growing market. The TAM for this company could really be something special down the road. They're shoring up their balance sheet. I'm going to cover a lot in this video, so make sure you stick around to the very end. But I think this video is important just to put it all into one location. And then I'm going to give some updates too, some new events, some pretty exciting stuff, guys. I mean, this is a big opportunity. I don't think it's too late to get in. We're looking at, if you look at the screen here, February the 24th, Truforma has earnings somewhere in that time. I've heard conflicting reports, the 23rd, the 24th, the 26th. I've heard a couple different people say it. I'm finding right around that date. I'm expecting to get an update on pre-sales. What do we know since the last video? Since the last time I made a video about Zomedica, something pretty exciting happened. I'm going to pull up on the screen here. Zomedica signs Truforma distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply. Miller Veterinary Supply has been around a long time. This is a positive sign. And they're also aggressively growing 3 other assays with canines and liquid cancer formula that they're working on with the subsidiary of Biorad called Celsi. So really exciting stuff. And if you really put into terms, sure, it's speculative, and this is just my opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I talk about growth stocks and I do my DD, and I'm excited about this one. And I'm holding until April. I'm holding until May, June. I want to get into Q3, and that's when we're going to really know and see, I mean, what kind of potential this has. If you start connecting some of the numbers together, I mean, this has room for exponential growth. Also recently, recently appointed CEO Robert Cohen released a letter to shareholders, and I wanted to show you some highlights, really positive stuff. First and foremost, very important right here, Zomedica receiving more than $40 million in additional cash through January the 15th, 2021, really shoring up their balance sheet. Also, I wanted to talk about, it said, this additional infusion of cash further enhances our already very healthy balance sheet. Our cash and cash equivalents now are in excess of $90 million. So the company's shoring up their balance sheet. They just landed a reliable distributor in veterinary care with a growing TAM, and they're he also touched on aggressively upping the other assays. Huge growing market, especially when you think about the possibilities. Right now it's companion animals. They're looking to get into more products, more drugs, and possibly more animals as time goes on. So there's no telling how big this market could really get. So I felt like it was a good time to do an update. I'm still holding my shares. I hope you are too. To accurately put a price target on this right now is kind of tough, but we could be looking at still 10x potential here with the other assays and the market growing the way it is. Really exciting stuff. Also, I wanted to note Zomedica announced a $25 million bought deal offering of common shares just recently. The shares were underwritten at $1.90. Also a positive sign, and Zomedica also increased their previously announced bought deal offering of common shares for $173.5 million. So again, we touched on that a little earlier, that the company is shoring up the cash, and to get to scale and to get this product out there, commercialized properly, advertised, they're going to need that cash. So that's going to come in handy. definitely a positive indicator. We talked about the ball acoustic technology in previous videos, which was developed by Corvo. We got on that one pretty early. That was what drew me to them at 20 cents and what told me that this stock was going to go up. That was a solid indicator. And I still think it's going to go up. I think this could be a $5 stock in a month or two. So I'm holding my shares. I will begin to trim my position because I took a fairly large position early on, but I haven't taken any profits quite yet. I'm going to add this video to my playlist to make it easier if you wanted to do a deep dive into this company. I have about 4 or 5 videos. I'll add this to the playlist. You could watch those. And if you're a Zomedica investor, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel because I will continue to make content about this company. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for future content. And let's talk stocks down below in the comment section. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do my DD. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.